Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 车 or 居 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. This is a polyphone. Is 车 means car, vehicle. When it pronounced as 居 means rook. In Chinese chess. For example, 火车 train. Now check this sentence. This train conveys over 1,000 passengers every day. 这列火车每天运送1000多位旅客。This train conveys over 1,000 passengers every day. "这列火车每天运送1000多位旅客。这列火车每天运送1000多 more than 1,000 位旅客 passengers. This train conveys over 1,000 passengers every day. 这列火车每天运送1000多位旅客。My daily handwriting on the character 车。车 car, vehicle. 居 rook. 火车 train. This train conveys over 1,000 passengers every day. 这列火车每天运送1000多位旅客。车居。Please comment any words or sentence with the character 车. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.